Okay guys, so in this video I will show you how to change network priority of connections on Windows 10. Okay, let's start. So click on type and search, type here control panel, open control panel from the list, and here in a new window select large icons and click on network and sharing center. Here you need to click on change adapter settings. So click on it. Here right click and click on properties. Here select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on advanced. Once done, click on automatic metrics, uncheck that. And here you should put a number from up to 215. So the bigger numbers, the lower priority. So just put number like in average, for example 10. You can click on 10 and select 10 and click on OK. So later, if you would like to change something, you can click on advanced again, click on automatic metric, for example, or switch number back if you need this. This is how it works, like guys. So hope this video was helpful. Have a nice day. Bye.